old laptop too slow? You should replace HDD with SSD and upgrade RAM. Your laptop will run like new. Perfect for web, YouTube, Facebook, email. How to upgrade your old laptop? USA, UK, India. In the US, check Best Buy or Micro Center. In the UK, try Curry's PC World or CEX. In India, visit Croma, Reliance Digital, or even Nehru Place in New Delhi. Tip: upgrade from HDD to SSD, and don't forget the memory. Don't throw away your old HDD, put it in an enclosure to use as an external drive. Sometimes you can add more RAM, but if your laptop has only one slot, just replace the old RAM with a bigger one. Do this, and your old laptop will feel brand new.